So this month we've got an awesome concept for you, one of my absolute favorite techniques that we do as a company, and it's all die based, and this time it's to do with building a scene. So for example, if I show you, I've got loads of cards to show you, if I show you this sort of card here, it's all about having all of the components you need to tell a story in a card. So it's about having the outer pieces, the inner pieces which are anchored in a special way. The box is full of dies as well as stamps, as well as all of your accessories, so that whether you're wanting to do cards like this or whether you're wanting to do beautiful cards like these ones here, this is what's coming in with this box, okay? So should I walk you through what we've got in there, right? Because there is loads in, as you would expect, as we just keep getting better and better every month. So we open the paper, as we do. The first thing you're going to get to is the set of dies. And let me actually show you all of the dies that are coming in. Because what you've got is, you've got that outer piece that I talked about, which is going to be what's going to be enabling you to do cards like this, where you've got the frame coming around the outside. You've also got loads of little accessories, so things like the trees, the toadstools, and you'll see each one of these does not have a bottom cutting edge. So it's going to cut but stay connected in your card, which means you can use it to do things like anchors on your easel cards, which I'm going to teach you in the supporting videos. It also means they will work beautifully as cut over the edge. So you can use these like you would do all of our edgeable cards to cut into your cards in a special way. Now, the dies, and how many of them are there? There's an awful lot of them. The dies are just the starting point in this, okay? Because you have the dies and you also have a full set of coordinating stamps. So if you want to do things like the princess castle that you saw there, if you want to tell your own stories, the dies are all coming included, the stamps are coming included to work alongside the dies to give you a bit of a different feel, right? Now, I know you're looking at these cards and thinking, Sarah, they look really complicated. How are we going to do the base cards? I've put all of the base cards, so I've put enough to get you started for 16 of the base cards. So we've got things like, we've done your diorama cards, and we've done your diorama cards at the little 4-inch ones, and we've done the diorama cards at your 5-inch size as well. So you've got all of the cards to enable you to get started doing these. Plus, once you've done a couple, I would recommend keeping one to use as a template. We've got some regular cards in here. We've got some easel cards that you're going to be able to do, so you can learn all the different techniques that we'll show you in the supporting videos using the cards. And of course, not just the cards, we always include the envelopes to go with it for you. Now, to finish it off, I've put you 2 packs of ribbons, so you can do nice little ribbon embellishments to go on all of your cards. It's a wonderful satin ribbon. You'll be used to our beautiful ribbons by now. I've also included just some packs of white and black card, the lovely heavyweight card we're working with. So if you are wanting to do like our silhouettes, or you're wanting to colour onto the card, you've got all the cardstock you need. And then if I show you the printed papers in this one, I've done them at 8x8 so that you've got the maximum amount, so that some of your smaller cards, like your 4x4, you'd get 4 pieces out of this. But look, you've just got those lovely background shades, and that's because I want this to be a background feature in your card. The dies and the stamps are really at the forefront here. The cardstock we're giving you, the papers here, are just to give you those lovely background feelings. You've got the background paper, and then also I've done a load of coloured cards, just different assorted colours that you're going to work in with this. I'll show you the colours that are coming included. These are going to give you all of the components so that you can die cut things like your little trees and the houses and the background pieces. So this is for creating those scenes. So on cards like this, you can see I've used those lovely, the browns and the greens included there. Now, because it is a little bit more complicated, and I know you don't all watch my lovely little technique videos, I've popped you a set of instructions in this one because I wanted you to be able to understand exactly how to get started without having to go and watch anything. So we've included the instructions to show you how to do a basic front card like this. So the instructions are coming included in there as well. So like I said, this box is possibly one of the biggest, certainly one of the most exciting we've ever brought to you. And if you've never tried our Build a Scene dies before, what a fantastic way to get introduced to them. With all these goodies, the cards, the ribbons, the base cards and envelopes, and all of the dies and the stamps that you need to get sorted.